We'll move ahead. Do you know India produce approximately 1 crore 60 lakh tons mangoes every year? इतने मैंगोज एवरी ईयर प्रोड्यूस होते हैं इंडिया में. इंडिया इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द मैंगो इन द वर्ल्ड. उत्तर प्रदेश डज द लार्जेस्ट प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द मैंगोज इन इंडिया. Who does the largest production of mangoes? Uttar Pradesh. You can see 1 ton equal 1000 kg. मतलब कितना ज़्यादा productions होता है इंडिया से. What do you know about the biggest mango? You can see the picture which is given here. In the hand of this people you can see one mango is there. The biggest mango, सबसे heavy वाला mango है ये. उसका weight है 3.435 kg. Was displaying in the Philippines. It was 30.48 centimeter in length. वो इतना बड़ा था. उसका circumference 49.53 and 17.78 in breadth. Okay, he is the biggest mango. Jensi has made the picture of mango in different shape. Draw the shapes of mango. Here one activity is given that you can do it by yourself. We will move ahead. When you go to the market to buy a mangoes, don't get confused to see so many different types of mango. Search yourself in the market for the following types of mango. हम मार्केट में जाते हैं तो हमें इतना पता नहीं चलता है कि कौन से मैंगोज़ कौन से अलग अलग मैंगोज़ है. वी गेट कन्फ्यूज टू सी द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैंगो. हमें पहचान में नहीं आते. माइट भी मम्मी पापा है वो जाते हैं तो उन्हें अच्छे से पता चल जाता है कि ये कौन सा टाइप का मैंगो है. यहाँ पे आप यू कैन सी ऑन द पिक्चर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैंगो इज़ गिवन. फर्स्ट वन इज़ गिवन हाफूस. दिस वन इज़ हाफूस. कैन सी दिस वन इज़ हाफूस. Then this is Kesar, Totapuri. You can see the shape of this types of mango. Langdo, Dasheri and Badam. इसमें से सबसे अच्छे मैंगोज़ मुझे तो केसर लगते हैं. आपको कौन से लगते हैं? You can ask to your mom. Which type of mango from the above given varieties have you tasted? इसमें से जो varieties आपको दी हुई है उसमें से आपने कौन कौन से मैंगोज़ खाए हैं? ओके. मैंगो ऑर्चार्ड एंड इट्स फार्मर. हाउ मैनी ऑफ यू सीन अ मैंगो ऑर्चार्ड? क्या आप लोगों ने मैंगो ऑर्चार्ड देखा है जिसे हम आंबावाड़ी बोलते हैं? वेयर हैव यू सीन इट? हैव यू सीन इट इन रियल और TV? Are the mango trees tall, short and weak? Do you know how to climb on a tree? Are you afraid of climbing on a tall tree? This question you have to answer and write answer in your textbook. Okay? Close your eyes and imagine that you are standing under a huge mango tree. Can you think how tall a mango tree can be? That you have to imagine and answer. Imagine that you have come to a mango orchard with a farmer. The leaves of the trees are making rustling sound in the gentle breeze. A cooling sound is heard from up the mango tree. Mangoes on the trees are swinging on the branch because breeze. हवा की वजह से वो जो mangoes है they are swinging. The farmer starts his work in dark in early morning. Some farmers go to the field in bullock cart. Farmer growing mangoes face difficult time when the strong wind is blowing. फार्मर्स के लिए भी बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है ये सारे ये जब स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड आती है उनके लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. तूफ़ान होता है. they are facing the difficult time to pick up the mangoes, segregate and dispatch in the market. We cannot go far in a bullock cart. A bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in an hour. Now here one question is given. You can see bullock cart can cover the distance of only 4 kilometers in an hour. In an hour means in 1 hour. How many distance is covered? 4 kilometers. How much time it will take to cover the distance of 10 kilometer? अगर 1 किलोमीटर में 1 किलोमीटर में 1 hour में 4 किलोमीटर bullock cart can cover, then 10 kilometer can covered in how many hours? We will do cross multiply. That means 10 into 1 divide by 4. When you will divide it by 4, you will get 2.5 hours. कितना मिलेगा आपको? 2.5 hours. That means 2 hours 30 minute. अगर 1 घंटे में 4 किलोमीटर, 2 घंटे में 8 किलोमीटर और बाकी के 30 मिनट्स में 10 किलोमीटर we will cover. Okay, so here your answer will be 2.5 hours. Guess how much distance do you cover in an hour by walking? First, here you have to cover how much distance you will cover by walking fast.